Hello and welcome. So, what I enjoyed about cognitive psychology. So, one thing that intrigued me, or I actually enjoyed learning, was about this woman, Joy Milne. So, when it was brought up in a lecture, she was referenced as this woman with a husband, and she just randomly started feeling or sensing that he smelt bad. And so he smelt bad. She didn't think anything of it. And then they go to the doctors and he gets diagnosed with Parkinson's. She and him go to a support group for Parkinson's, and everybody who has Parkinson's all has this same similar bad scent. And then so she, I guess, gets to be part of a study or is studied, and she she says that one other person out of the control group, I think it was, is also had Parkinson's. So it was found out later that she was able or is able to pre-diagnose even people who haven't even been diagnosed with Parkinson's. I thought that was extremely interesting, but it also reminds me of how, or I guess it makes me acknowledge how interesting our senses and how humans are. So I guess there was another study in regards to sweat, and someone, like some people exercising, and then some people jumping from a plane, like skydiving. And so they took sweat from both parties, like the participants of the exercise and the skydivers, and then they had people smell the sweat, which I thought was gross to learn. But, anyways, they smelt it, and I guess the fear part of our brain, the amygdala, was activated. And with the people exercising, there was no anything. But it just proves that we are able to smell fear. And it just, that and many other random things I've learned in this realm. But yeah, that's what I thought was really interesting, and the similarities of how humans and senses and how we've evolved in our medical. Thank you for watching.